Hello, everybody. Welcome to our channel Docket Babies. I am Dr. Nupur Ghosh. So, parents, I hope that you liked my last video where I spoke about how to teach children to speak in English. And I also hope that you got some good tips from my video so that you can teach the same to your kids. Now, today you can very well see that we are going to talk about a very, very important topic, and that is the books. Yes, it is very important to introduce the books at right age. So today, Jashvi is now 3 years of age. So today I'll be discussing in detail both about her study books, that is the curriculum books, and the story books. So without any delay, let's start the video. So first I would like to talk about these pre-nursery books. These are amazing books. I got it from Amazon, and I think it was like just 800 rupees for, I think these are 8 books, so it is very nominal, and I really like this book for 3-year old because I'll just show you one by one. The first one being the pattern writing. You know what I like about this book, Jashvi has been drawing, like there are all kinds of practicing about the strokes, like the straight line, the zigzag. It's like, see, they have given some for the straight lines, then they also give some exercise pertaining to that, like matching or anything. Jashvi really likes matching. Then these are slanting strokes, these are revisions, then different kinds of patterns. So child really learns how to make the different kinds of lines. See, these are the waves, tracing the waves. So child really learns. You can see like Jashvi, she's very fond of this matching fun, and she has been doing this from like pretty long. So the child learns making different kinds of pattern from this book. So this is the first one. The second one, this is Jashvi's favorite book. This is Environmental Studies. Now this book has got all sorts of things, starting from the body parts. You must have seen a video earlier where Jashvi is telling about all body parts. See, again, they give the matching pertaining to whatever they have taught her before. They give a matching. So Jashvi, you can see very well here, she has done all the matching. Then meeting the family members, the name of the family. Obviously she can't do everything right now, but yeah, she does most of it. Then talking about the school, then see about the seasons, the rain, winter. So basically it covers each and everything, and the child is able to know about, see, domestic animals, many things here. So what I like about this book, that Environmental Studies, that it covers a vast variety of things, and child is aware of many things in one go. The next is the rhymes and story book. These have got all the important pre-nursery rhymes. I keep on repeating it with Jashvi. So how you can make them learn is that you can keep on repeating, keep on singing, like whenever she's in potty or she's taking bath or she's eating food, whatever. So I try and sing her any of the rhymes, so that just like any of the songs, we do remember the Hindi movie songs because they go into our ears again and again. Same like that, when these are sung again and again, the child will be able to learn it. And it's very important to teach them at this age, because once their school is open, you'll realize that they have to remember so many of them. So it's better we do right from this age. Plus at the end, this has got 4 or 5 beautiful stories. The 2 wise goats, the greedy dog. So it covers the rhymes as well as some stories. The next book is the picture dictionary. Now this is an amazing book. Like, obviously the first thing we have to teach our babies is ABCD, the alphabets. Here you see with A, they have given 6 different things which the child can learn. So it's not only A for apple, it will be A for alligator, A for ant. So these days, in our time, it was always A for apple, but now the child should know all of these or many of these. So with the picture dictionary, the child can actually relate, okay, this is an apple, this is an alligator. So with the picture dictionary, it's very much fun. So Jashvi has been learning from this the various alphabets. She can, at this age, she can definitely sing it very nicely, but she's not able to although identify all the alphabets, which I am trying for her now. So you can see here, then even in the end they have given vegetables, wild animals, and many of that. Let's go to the next one. It's pre-nursery English. So here we had the picture dictionary. Now here they teach us how to write each and every alphabet. Like, see, the amazing way they start is, look at the pictures that begin with the sound of E. So then tracing it. Then again they will give one more exercise. They will have something which starts from E, and you have to maybe color it or some kind of activity related to that. So here, what I like about this book is not only they are making the child learn how to trace it, but they also give an activity, and this is, making study fun is really important. Let's go to the next book. This is art and craft. This is the usual book of coloring, just making some craft. So although Jashvi has colored all of these, but it's not only about coloring. If you read each and every, so everything has got different. Here it says color the elephant. Here it says tear your favorite color crepe paper and paste it on the ice cream. So it's not only about coloring, it's about various activities, joining the dots to draw the bird, paste and color. So this is art and craft book. Next is mathematics. Again the numbers, tracing the numbers. If you see how they started, the first page goes like this, color in number 1. So they have given one ball, then you can trace it, then you can color whatever is like 1 1 1, they'll do like that. So now there's 2 elephants, 2 like this, then color these 2 houses. So that's what the best thing about these books, they do give activities with each and every exercise, so the child doesn't get bored, because these days, child, they find everything so boring very easy. Like Jashvi, after just like 2 minutes she'll say, okay, I don't want to read it, and this. And the last is for Hindi rhymes, although I have not been doing this regularly because she doesn't have Hindi here in UAE, but obviously when we are in India we have to do it. And I will also try and make, because if at some point of time if we have to go back, then she has to know this. So it's called various rhymes and stories as well. So these were the 8 set of books. These are the amazing books which I think should be a must buy, and I really like this Dreamland. You can look for other books as well, but like I really like this for Jashvi because it covers each and everything what a child of 3 years should know, right from writing, right from patterns, right from shapes, from rhymes, from stories and everything. Other than that, Jashvi is very fond of reading the storybook, so we get as many as possible. So sometimes like the values, learning about the values, or any kind of small storybooks. Then she is very fond of Elsa. These were gifted to her on a birthday by my cousin, and these are very pretty books. Disney books, as we all know, are very amazing. So these are also important for the child to develop the habit of reading right at a very small age, so that as their age increases, they can keep on doing this. They can keep on developing this habit. So she's very fond of all this. She's very fond of this Snow White and Elsa and everything. So the reading habit is very important, I suppose. So we keep on encouraging it. And last but not the least, these are the first books of Jashvi. This again we got it from Amazon. This is my first library. Again 10 books containing wild animals, fruits, birds, vegetables, shapes, ABC, transport, everything, colors, numbers. So this is also a very good book. Not only they have like good image quality, but the images are big enough for a small baby to learn. So we got this at a very early age. I think Jashvi was like 1.5 or 1 year old, so she got really fascinated by these books. And about the storybooks, as I was telling, that I think it's very important for the child to learn this, because these days a lot of babies, they're getting diverted to mobile phones and TVs. But it's good if they develop this habit of reading. um, by reading these stories, they develop their imaginative power. They learn how to imagine stories, and if they are reading the books like these, like learning values, they do understand what is the importance of good behavior, what is the importance of good deeds. So this was all about her book journey, a very important thing indeed in their lives. I just wanted to share. I hope that you may also get such books for your child so that they can enjoy this important thing in their life plus the lockdown. Stay safe, stay home. Happy parenting. Take care.